this is Albert Cummings from the House of Blues Built. One of our partners on this project, which is really exciting, is Owens Corning. We're trying for a very energy efficient home here. We're trying for all of the modern codes, all of the modern technologies, and it all starts with how you're going to seal your house up. And Owens Corning just hit it out of the park for us. We use next-gen fiberglass in the walls, and that's an amazing product, and it's kind of the product that is the answer to every builder's problem, which is workability. It's a whole new modern take on insulation. The climate inside this house is in large part because of Owens Corning. We used the blown-in and the ceilings. Every piece of Owens Corning was top shelf. Their products, their design people, all their technology people, their certified installers, everybody that worked on it had one goal in mind, and that was to create a beautiful house for us. And it's not just for us, they're trying to do that for everybody that they sell their product to. And that goes a long way from the builder's point of view. So one great thing about Owens Corning is their entire team of people that they have working behind the scenes. Everything that you see on the shelf is not the same product that it was 30 years ago, like some companies just keep pushing out the same products and people keep buying them. Owens Corning is striving to get better and better and better and working with building sciences and making builders' life easier in the field, which in turn makes the homeowner's life better for livability. So everybody at Owens Corning has that mindset. It was nice to work with the inner staff of Owens Corning. They're a very popular brand. Pink next-gen fiberglass really is the future of fiberglass insulation, and we're so proud to have Owens Corning part of this project. With Owens Corning, the whole team that's behind the scenes, it's kind of like the same as almost that the insulation's behind the walls. Everything's hidden, but it's actually one of the most important part of the house as far as sealing it, minimal air movement, everything that goes into it. All of that starts in the lab. Everybody that I talk to that's in the lab or in the design phase, they all have an understanding of what I'm dealing with as a builder in the environment to try to provide the best quality that I can for my homeowner that I'm working for. In this case, I am the homeowner. So it was great to see both sides of it and see it all come together. And it all came together because of the help of Owens Corning and their certified installers.